Hello and welcome. In this video, we shall find weekday for a date from given date. So we shall consider this first example. So in this we have, if Sona's third birthday was on 16th September 2004, which was Thursday, then on which day will her 12th birthday occur? So here it is given to us that the third birthday is on 16th September 2004 is on Thursday. And we have to find out the 12th birthday, that means we have to add 9 in 2004. So therefore 12th birthday will be on 16th September 2013. Now here we have the step number 1. So first count the number of years between 2004 to 2013, that is 2013 minus 2004, which is equal to 9. In the next step, we have to count the number of leap years between 2004 to 2013. Now here, although 2004 is a leap year, but we don't have to count it here because the given date is nothing but what? It is 16th September. So which is after February. Therefore, the 2004 as a leap year will be not counted in this calculation. Now then we have 2008 is one of the leap year in this period, and 2012 is again a leap year. So therefore there are two leap years during this period, that is 2008 and 2012. So the number of leap years equal to 2. Now add the results of step 1 and step 2. So it will be nothing but 9 plus 2, that is 11. Then we have to divide the result of step 3, that is 11, by number of days in a week, that is 7. And we have to find out the remainder. So we have to divide this. We have to divide this 11 by 7, and we have to find out its remainder. So it comes out to be equal to 11 divided by 7 will be equal to 4. Remainder will be equal to 4 because 7 ones are 7 and 11 minus 7 will be 4. So in this case the remainder is 11 divided by 7, and the remainder after division will be 4. Then count 4 days after Thursday. So after Thursday we have 4 days, that is nothing but what? Friday, then we have Saturday, then we have Sunday, and then we have Monday. So 4 days after Thursday will be nothing but Monday, and therefore the Sona's 12th birthday is on Monday. Now we shall consider one more example here. So in this example it is given that in a certain year, if the Independence Day occurs on Tuesday, then in the same year which day would be the last day of the year? Now we know that the Independence Day, it is on 15th August, and it is given that it is on Tuesday, and the last day of the year is nothing but what? 31st December is the last day of the year, and therefore we have to count here how many days of the August will be there. So first of all we can see that August, it is nothing but of 31 days, and therefore from after 15 there will be 16 days of the August. Then September will be completely counted here. Now September is having 30 days, so all 30 days will be counted. Then October is of 31 days, all 31 days of the October will be counted here. Then November is of 30 days, so all 30 days of November will be counted here. And we have to find out 31st December, so all the 31 days of December will be counted here. And we have to add all these days here. So if you add this, that is 16 plus 30 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31, then it comes out to be equal to 138. Now you have to divide this 138 by 7 and we have to find out the remainder. Now we know that 7 multiplied by 19 is 133, and if you subtract this 133 from 138, then it means the remainder after dividing 138 by 7 will be equal to 5. So therefore we have to count 5 days after that. So after Tuesday we have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So it means that after 5 days the last day of the year will be nothing but what? On Sunday. I hope that you understand this, how to find out different dates and calculations in a year, within a year or within different years and so on. If you like it, then do like, subscribe and share, comment also if you have any difficulty. Thank you very much.